Hello, YouTube friends and family. I'm trying different perspective. I hope this camera works right and in my favor because I was getting complaints about words for items or filming backwards. Trying to work on fixing that. I'm listening. I'm responding. So, today, let me turn on the light. Is that better? Yeah. Okay, so today, I have a Burlington haul. I've been March has been kind of weak on these hauls, but I made fun up for it this week. Spring break, too much time's on my hands. So we have, please know it's 5 bags of this. Please know it's 5 bags of this. Okay. So they have a lot of red tags going through the store. I went in there. I wasn't even headed there. But it just was calling me. It was calling me, man. Whoo! So I went. So I'm streamlining storage around here. I'm doing some updates around here. And then, of course, I can always find something to buy. So I've been wanting one of these. Didn't want to spend the money for it, but I finally broke down and did it. So this is the collapsible bucket. And great for storage. Deep enough. Boom, boom, boom. And it was $7.99. And I think it's still gonna film those words backwards. But I tried. And so I grabbed that. We are revamping the coffee station. I'm going to get rid of the Keurig and drop all of it and the accessories probably on Marketplace with the cleaning supplies, with all the pots I have. I don't use it. And if you let it sit, the water gets moldy in there and it develops a film and it gets yucky. So I no longer use it. It's time to start getting rid of stuff I no longer use. But as you, if you caught my video for my last Ollie's haul where I got it's over here. That's why I keep looking, but I don't feel like picking it up. I bought a iced coffee maker. We're going into the summer months. I may wake up, woke up cold. I may wake up, woke something hot. So it's going to be coffee, tea, and iced coffee with my Nespresso machine, which is what I use most of the time. So I bought this to hold the actual coffee because luckily, which works for the garden, the Mr. Coffee iced coffee maker used ground coffee, which I already have plenty of. And I can use the grounds in the garden, which is perfect win-win. I really struggle with opening the espresso pods to save the grounds. That's a lot of work. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, but this way it'll be easier for me to have that access to coffee grounds on the, regular for my compost. So I got this for $2.99. It does have like a grab. See, I like that about it, and it's big. So you can get a whole bag of coffee in here easily, or a couple of bags, or a bigger bag. So that was one thing I bought for that revamp. And I'm going to link the old coffee station. The last time I did it, I'm going to link that video above. But it's a cluttered mess right now, and I do want to make some changes. So, since we're having a coffee and tea station, I'm really getting into these teas. I am feeling the benefit of using these teas. And Burlington is a great source for various teas. So, it's pretty much a big bag of teas right here. So, organic digest tea, $2.09. Red tag. And in my mind, these teas are good till 2025. So, that's not going to be a problem using them. Liver Cleanse, which is a dandelion, peppermint, chicory root, and orange tea. This was $2.99. Let me hold it up right. $2.99. I've been looking for something with turmeric. They have an ashwagandha in this brand, and I love it at nighttime. It calms, you know, kind of gets you ready for bed. So I decided to try the matcha with turmeric and passion fruit. And this one, expiration 2026. So 25 tea bags, 2026. And this one was $2.99. So stay till the end because we got something coming. I actually spent $75 on a store I didn't even plan on going to. Burlington will trap you for real. Then we have Slimming Tea. And this one was $2.99. Now, I rave about these when you're under the weather, when your stomach is acting up. Early morning drink to give you a little boost. The ginger honey crystals, they do carry these. Decently priced at Burlington. Definitely for when you're sick. And this is $3.49. And it is 10 in the box. So that's, I want to say, a little cheaper than the Asian market. And same brand, Prince of Peace. So I did grab an extra box. They had plenty of those. Well, I'll say they had at least 5 of those. But I only grabbed one box because I have one already. And again, I'm really bringing my turmeric for the benefits. So this is turmeric, ginger, lemon. And the benefits of that, when you're working in that yard and you wake up and can't move the next morning, this will help. Not, you know, with the not being able to move the next morning. So $2.99. So I did a pretty good tea stocking. And then this one, I saw this on the way out and thought it was interesting for morning time. We have vanilla clove and black tea. Healthy black tea. So I'm guessing this has vanillas and cloves. Black tea, clove, and vanilla. And it was on clearance for $2.19. So, if you need to do a tea restocking, that is a great place to check out those varieties. That was a lot of tea. So that was the bulk of my haul. But no, I still have 2 more bags, and I'm still working on this one. So we have Tiger Balm. I was shocked to see this, but again, we in the season of getting out in the yard and working hard. And those pain spots, rub a little of this on there. Make sure we ready for the work we have to do. And then I saw this, and it was very new to me, so I say, let me give it I'm not going to try it, but I have a Pop-Tart lover in this house who only likes strawberry frosted and brown sugar cinnamon, but he also loves banana bread. So I say, let him give this a try, and I'm going to taste one too. So banana bread Pop-Tarts for cameraman. So So I needed a tray. That's what I walked in there for. I needed a tray for the guest room makeover. I'll link that above. I'm still, you know, doing a few little finishing touches and updates in there. So, yeah, it was Easter basket station, but luckily I have cleared up the Easter basket mess for the most part. I got one more basket to make, and we're going to get that room back in shape. And I'll show you a little quick short of an update, and you know, you could see the video. But I wanted a tray for that room, and I saw this. So this is a tray, and it was $10. But it's a cute little tray for the dresser in there to add to the aesthetic for the guest room. I'm keeping it. I'm proud of me. I'm really keeping that room together. I've added things like a rug, a little storage bench. So I'll do a little short to show you what updates I've had. I caught a clearance like plant at Lowe's that I probably did not share, but I'll share it in the update. And I also added one of the Family Dollar little cactus plants that I just found recently. I'll link that video. So I wanted to add a tray, and I thought this would work well in that space. Okay, and because it's glass, I want to be careful. Okay. So then we're still doing the living room, child. I'm sorry, but life is life, and the living room is still going on. So part 3 of that will get here one day. So this was a cute tray. I gotta get in the shot. I got y'all too close, maybe. I'm gonna make some adjustments here. Y'all bear with me. Okay, so this, because I want a thumbnail. This was so cute. And this is for the living room. And it was $6.99. Great price for this tray. Great price. And let me get over here. Okay, so this is the last thing. Ow! Shoot! That thing hit me in my knee. In my leg. Oh, goodness. So, this is the last box. Bag. But I saw this. And this is a mail station. And I am going to do my desk area when you walk in from the garage. Trying to get that a little bit more in order too. So I brought this mail station because I have the tendency to pile mail here, there, and everywhere. And I need to really start going through it, dumping the trash. I get a lot of junk mail. Going through, dumping the trash, keeping the stuff I need to tend to in a central location. So I thought this would be nice, and it actually even has the key holder so that I can start keeping my dinette table clear. So I wanted that, and it was $7.99. $7.99. I know it's upside down, but I saw it, I thought about it, I said, yes, I want it. If it's not up within the 60 days, it may end up back at the store. But what I have there now, that's a lot more substantial than what's up there now, and I kind of like it. So, again, we're revamping the coffee station. So, I saw this, and it's not for the coffee station, but it's for the coffee station. And I thought this was so pretty. It is an expandable organizer. So when I looked at this, I said, okay, so this is a good way to display the teas. So, and actually, it was $12.99. And I'm going to take it apart for you. Because it was actually, I was like, oh, okay, this is an amazing way to display the teas. And I can actually set it up. So it does that. And box of tea, box of tea, box of tea. And it can be displayed. I thought that was so cute for $12.99. If I spent $12.99, I must have really liked it, because I'll be sitting there thinking, like, do I need this? Do I want this? How bad do I want it? Do I want to spend $12.99 for it? And the answer was yes. And the teas, let me pick one that I know I'm going to be drinking soon. So say, and we testing this out to see how perfectly the teas will fit. And since most of these teas are already bagged, okay. I'm just making sure it fits. Hopefully you can see. Okay, because if it don't fit them perfectly, okay, so they pretty much fit. I just got to work with them. So, I'm guessing. Okay, so yeah, this might be a little bit of a fail. If I'm going to leave it up, then yes. I would have to leave it in this fashion. And load it with the tees. So yes, they work. They work. So, only thing is when it gets towards the back, I think I would just have to lay them down and adjust them as I use them. I don't know. We'll find out, because I will show you when I finish revamping the station. They fit well. They stand up well. And the whole box fits. So I can get about, 4 to 6 boxes of tees on this one station. So I like that. I like that. So that works for me. You just cannot really fully close it. But you can fill it up with tea. So yes, that's a thumbs up. $12.99. And if you wanted to put like the accoutrements, the ball of honey, look at this. The ball of honey on top, then that's a bigger space. Or you can put 2 more rows of tees. You can put another section of tees. So I like it, yes. So that was that haul from Burlington. The trap that is called Burlington. I go everywhere. I look for everything. So we got some more, gardening coming up. We got some more room makeovers coming up. And we are still prepping. I have a hurricane prep video coming up. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this haul. And if you do, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. What do you think of this? Do you think it's worth $12.99? Let me know in the comments below. So, again, I always remind you to plant a seed, let's grow together. Prep and pray. And I love you to life. Keep your head on swivel. Watch your surroundings. Stay safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.